Twins. Eli, Eva, Peach, and Pepper, they're the Mastro Twins.
My name is Eva. You play the Playdoh game. My name is Eli. This time I play the Playdoh game.
What colors do you guys have?
I have and white.
What? One at a time. What color does Play-Doh does Eva have?
Pink and purple.
Good. How about Eli? What you got?
I have orange and blue.
Nice. Which one are you gonna play with first?
I'm gonna play with the blue first.
Okay.
I'm gonna play with the purple first.
Okay. So what do you have in here? You got cookie cutters and Play-Doh pieces in there?
This is like a snowman.
What is it?
It's a snowman.
Let me see. Is it a snowman?
Yeah.
Let me see that. It looks like a whale.
No, it's snowman.
I think it's a whale. You wanna try it?
Okay.
Wanna make it? What's that?
Can you open this? Pizza.
Pizza? What else?
Can you open this? Hot dogs.
And hot dogs?
And mushrooms.
And mushrooms. Very cool.
Salad.
So it's like a grill, huh?
Yeah, can you open this up?
Can I help you open that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's open it. Let's see if I can do it with one
I
hand.
want to put it here.
I got it. I got it.
It's purple inside. Can
Yeah.
you open this?
Listen. Look, Eli.
It's got blue in it.
Yeah. What are you gonna make, buddy?
I'm gonna make this.
What is
I'm
that?
gonna make peanut butter pizza. I think I got it.
You think you got it? You think you're strong?
No.
Let me see your muscles. Let me see your muscles. You got it. You got it. You can do it. Oh, yes, you did it. Just a little more.
It turned out.
It rolled out, Eli?
Yes.
Good. Eva, you're so strong. Which one are you going to play with first?
I need to get it out.
Yeah, you can squeeze it out like Eli did. Remember, you can't mix the colors because then we don't have any Play-Doh to play with. Okay?
Wait a minute.
So we got to play with one color at a time.
And I get it out.
You got to squeeze it out.
Not coming out.
To help you?
Hey.
Got
See
it.
the other one.
Well, you're going to play with one at a time. So when you're ready to use the purple, we'll put the pink one away, okay? Are you going to make something on the grill?
Yeah.
What are you going to make?
First I have to put it in there.
Yeah, you got to take one little piece though, not the whole thing. It's too big. Is it too big?
No, I got it.
You got it?
Squish it in because
Okay.
it's so strong. See? I squish it. I squish it. You just see?
Yeah, I want to see.
Out.
Let me see.
Look it out. Look it out.
Alright. Who can make me a butterfly?
Me.
Who?
Me.
Eva? You gonna do a butterfly?
Wait, how do it?
Well, you gotta flatten out the Play-Doh. See, look, we have a rolling pin right here. So we can make it flat. Make it really flat. Gotta roll it harder. Make it flat, flat, flat.
Flat, flat, flat. It's all flat.
I think it can be a little bit more.
It's all eye.
I think it can be a little bit more flat, Eva.
I got it.
You got it? Okay, so now what do you do?
I think this is like a crab.
It's a crab?
Yeah. So to put the crab on here and make a crab.
And press it down.
Is that good?
Let's see.
Okay. Like this. Oh no!
Somebody make me a crab.
Me.
Eva?
I want to make a crab. I want to roll it.
think you gotta try to do it the other way, Eva.
I want this.
Flip over the crab cookie cutter. Flip it over.
How's it going?
Take it out. No,
see.
take it out.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think you almost got it. Let's see. Look, you gotta pull off the edges. Pull off the edges. I see it. I see it. But gentle so you don't break it. I see the crab right there. Let's see. Wait. We almost got it. Pull it. Wow, no! You took his hand! You took the crab's little hand. He only has one hand. What is he gonna do?
You need to make it again.
Okay, we can do it again. Whew. That was a close one. Alright, let's start over. Let's roll out the Play-Doh. Make it really flat.
I'll make this train.
You gonna make a train?
Yes.
Alright, let's see.
How about this way?
Press it down really hard, Eli. Press it down really hard.
No need. Take it out.
Okay, now we take it out.
And there's a train.
And there, wait, let me see. That's such a good train.
I need to get in there. Show me how to peel it out. What? I want to take it out. Hard.
You want to take it out?
Yes. Look. Only you can take it out like this. Look. It's a square. No, you take it out like this.
Good job, Eva.
Yeah.
How did you make a square, Eva?
Yeah, white square.
How'd you do it?
I need one in here.
Okay.
What?
Whoa, I think that piece was too small.
I did my pizza. I did my pizza. I did my pizza. And it's flat.
It's flat?
Yeah.
Very good.
Watch this. Watch this.
Okay, I'm watching. What are you making?
I'm making dinner.
Dinner? Okay, remember to press it really hard. Press it down really hard so you can get all the shapes. Let's see, press it down.
Look! Wait. Watch.
Let's see, Eli, open up. Let's see what you made for dinner.
I made pizza.
That's pizza?
No, that's pizza.
Okay, that looks really good. Blue pizza for dinner. What else do we have in the bucket? What else do we have in this bucket, guys?
Here we go. This is a little bit bigger.
Let's see. What's this?
That's a piggy.
A piggy. Can someone make a piggy for me?
Not good. Look at out, baby.
What is it? You squeezed it out?
A square again.
A square again. Very good. How about you make a square with this piece?
I got it with this.
You don't want to use this piece? To make a really big square?
What?
Okay, I'll watch it.
Look. I want to
Good
make it.
job.
I want to make it U.
Make the letter U?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Good job.
Bigger. This is a little bit bigger, so I can put it in there. What? I need to put it into a fish.
Oh, you're gonna do a fish now? Okay, very good.
Really big.
A very, very big fish.
Triangle.
You made a triangle now?
Yeah.
Look, here's a triangle. Look, Eva.
Yeah, I can make that one. I can make it a little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger?
And then bunny on it.
There's a bunny on it. I love it. Remember, you gotta make the dough really flat. Where's the rolling pin? I see it. You see it?
I want the knife. I got it.
You got it. All right. Roll out your Play-Doh. Eli, what you have there?
I have a knife.
A knife? For Play-Doh? Is it special to cut the Play-Doh?
Yes.
Very good.
4-foot flat. Got it.
You're rolling it out really flat?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
There's blue on top though.
There's blue on top. How'd you get blue on? Oh, from Eli's?
Yeah.
It mixed up a little bit. That's okay.
Yep, I'm rolling it up so I can make it nice and flat.
Nice and flat.
I'm making it nice and flat. So I can make a triangle.
Yes, a triangle. You gotta press it down hard. Press it down hard, Eva. There you go, and roll it. Press down hard and roll. That makes it flat. You got it? You're doing a really good job.
I need a rolling pin.
You need to borrow the rolling pin?
Yes.
All right, let's wait. Oh, she's done. What do you say?
Thank you. Yep, that's really nice of you.
Eva, did you hear what Eli said, Eva?
Thank you. You're welcome.
Very good. You rolling out your Play-Doh, Eli?
Yes.
Good job.
I can do it out.
Let me see. Good. Now you gotta press it out.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Try it.
Yeah. And now get it out.
Let me try to help you. Let's see.
I got Play-Doh in it.
I think if we press it in a little bit,
I make it fall.
then it'll fall out.
Uh-oh. Is it falling out?
It's going to. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it right now. Watch this.
Curry, you're gonna break it.
No, I'm not gonna break it. Look, it's perfect.
I want to make one.
That was. Let me see your triangle. Hold it up so I can see.
I want to make one.
Good job, Eva.
I make it nice and flat.
You gotta make it nice and flat, and then
I need a square.
press it down hard. Good job, buddy. You got your square. Oh, a triangle. Now what? Now you take away all the edges. Pull all the extra edges away. Good job. Let me see. Hold it up so I can see. Good job.
It has a cross on it.
It has a cross on it?
Yes. That's why the Jesus died.
Really?
Yes, that's why I put a cross on it.
Okay, that's very nice. That's a good job.
What is my Play-Doh? It's not put Play-Doh.
Are you guys having fun playing with the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Look, I've got a tugboat. Who wants to make a tugboat?
Me.
Raise your hand. Let's see who raises their hand first. 1, 2, 3. Eva! All right, make me a tugboat. Eli, would you like to make me the letter T?
Yes, that with you.
What starts with letter T?
Right? Yeah, I make a table! Oh no!
What happened?
An ant!
An ant?
An ant looking on Play-Doh!
And it's licking the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Wow. Do ants have tongues?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen one?
Yeah. And the rocks have spots.
Are ants big or little?
Little.
Little?
Yeah.
Super little?
Yep.
Like
Sometimes-
tiny?
Sometimes they're big.
Sometimes they're big?
Yes.
Have you ever seen a really big ant?
Yes.
Yeah, was it scary?
Yes.
It was?
Look, a jelly boat!
Let me see the tugboat. Good job. Can I see?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I
Oh,
want-
that's a good job, Eva. Here you go.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, Eli, I want you to do the letter T. Can you do that?
Yes.
What word starts with letter T?
Play-Doh, baby.
Wow, Play-Doh, baby. Play-Doh starts with the letter P. What starts with the letter T?
That Play-Doh. Ants.
Ants ends with the letter T. What starts with letter T? Ta, ta, ta.
Whoa.
Do you-
Let's start with what?
What letter does ant start with? What letter makes that sound?
Ants.
The letter A makes the ant sound.
Yeah.
How about letter T?
Okay.
How about treasure? Does that start with letter T?
Yeah.
How about teeth?
Teeth start with teeth.
Yes, let me see your teeth. Do you have teeth?
Yep, I have.
Let me see. Let me see a big smile. Cheese. Let me see a big smile. Oh, you have nice teeth.
I have teeth.
You have teeth? Oh, you have beautiful teeth.
Oh no. Mommy, Mommy brushed my teeth. It.
Mommy brushes your teeth at night?
Yeah.
That's so nice of her. That's really good. Make sure your teeth are clean.
We go to school. The after school. You have after school care.
You went to after school care?
No.
No, you didn't?
After call rider.
You what?
After call rider.
You have to...
Yep, after call rider.
You have to call later?
The car rider.
Oh, you're a car rider. Is that what you're saying, Eva?
Yeah.
Okay. That's right, because you don't go to aftercare.
I hide the ant.
You hid the ant?
No, I fixed it with that triangle.
What did you do with the triangle?
I hide it with that triangle.
You put the triangle on top of the ant?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. That's not very nice for the ant. I don't think the ant can breathe under the triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should take the triangle off so the ant can breathe and crawl away. And we should stop picking our nose. That's yucky. Okay. There's no ant down there. I think it ran away.
No, it's right there.
Where?
It died.
Oh no. Let me see.
I see two. Okay, it died. It died. It died.
It's okay. It was an accident, right?
Yes.
Okay.
What's this? It's a tomato. What's this?
What are you gonna do over there, Eva? Very cool. Look, this one has some cool shapes, Eva. Let me see. Look at this one.
I want that.
Let's let Eva try it. Look, you can make some squiggles. You can make some squares. Eli, you want to try this one?
Yes. Squiggle. See, I make a squiggle.
Let's
No, a
see.
square.
A square? Let's see.
It's polka dots.
With polka dots?
Yeah. See? 1, 2, 3. I want to try. I want to try that.
Eva,
What?
Eva, what's your favorite part of playing with Play-Doh?
A square.
The square? You like making squares with the Play-Doh? Very nice. How about you, Eli? What's your favorite part of playing with the Play-Doh?
I have an eye. I made an eye.
You made an eye?
Yes. I want to have a try.
Let me see. Where'd you make an eye?
Eli, what's this, Eli? It's just...
Watch this, Eli. She's gonna show you something. Look at what she's doing over there.
Wow! You want to see? Yeah. Look. Wow. Do you see that again? No. Look. It's got 5 polka dots on it. You see them coming out? Yeah.
You got 5 polka dots on there, Eva? Let me
Yep, you
see.
see them popping out?
Oh, yeah, I do. If you press it down hard, they'll pop all the way out to the top. Wanna try it? Let me see. Turn it around so I can see. Oh, cool.
I want to make some of those.
All right, Eva, one more, and then you gotta let Eli try that shape, okay? You got it?
Here's a big Play-Doh. Yep, I'm gonna make that too. Now you can have a try. Thank you, Eva. I'm doing.
Eva's sharing. Yeah, that's really nice, right, Eli?
And I need to do this one.
You okay? You need to do that one?
Yeah.
Do you like sharing, Eli?
Yes. No. Eli. I turn Eli, my turn.
Do you share with your sister, Eli?
Yes, I do.
That's very nice of you. How many sisters do you have?
I have two.
How many sisters does Eli have?
I want that. I want that.
No whining.
Even myself.
That's okay. You can make it again.
I'm making this.
Eva, can he borrow it so he can make it again? Because you messed it up for him and that wasn't very nice.
What?
He needs the tool again so he can make his shapes.
Eva, look. You popped it out. Well. But you can say what about Playdohs? Eva, that's better. No, I don't want to mess it.
Hey, what's going on?
I'm messing it.
Are you gonna start crying?
No.
Wait, do big boys cry?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
How about babies? Do they cry?
No.
Babies don't cry?
Yeah.
I think you got it backwards. I think big boys don't cry and babies cry.
Oh, I got it backwards.
Silly goose. Are you a baby or a big boy?
Big boy.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
3 and 4.
3 and 4?
This.
I think you're just 3. 3 years old.
What? When you make some more together, it makes 3.
When you mix 3 and 4 together, it makes 7. 3 plus 4 is 7.
No.
Eli, when's your birthday?
This on 10 months.
In 10 months?
Yes.
But what day is it?
Saturday.
The day of your birthday?
Yes.
You don't remember when your birthday is?
Yes.
When is it? Is it February?
Give me the triangle.
Please. Say please. Can you
No.
give her the yellow triangle, Eli?
Oh dear. Where's the triangle?
Right, it's right. I see it.
Where?
Okay. Can you give it to Eva, please? Oh, don't throw things. That's not very nice.
Got it. Oh.
That is not for hurting the ants.
I got it. Oh.
Eli, your birthday is February
14th.
Very good. When's Eva's birthday?
On February 14th in 10 minutes.
You guys have the same birthday?
There's 2.
How come?
There's 2 by my Play-Doh.
There's 2 ants by your Play-Doh?
And they're going under there. I got them.
They're really tiny. I don't think they're gonna hurt you. Okay.
Look, just pop it out.
What are you gonna make next?
I don't want to make a circle next.
A circle next?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna make. Now I'm gonna make a. I'm gonna do this next.
What's
I'm gonna
this?
do this next.
What is this?
That is the cross for Jesus.
Oh, okay. Do you want to make this cross with your Play-Doh?
Hmm?
Yeah. Can you make a cross? Okay, here you go.
All
right, go make it with the Play-Doh.
I want the volleyball.
You want to make a piggy, Eva?
Yeah.
You want to make a piggy too? Are you confused?
I hear something.
What do you hear?
I hear the TV.
The TV?
Yes, I hear it.
Maybe Peach and Pepper are watching TV.
Oh. Yeah, they are. I swear. Where are the ants?
There are no more ants. I think you got them all.
I see the big ant right there. they have to bite me.
Alright guys, you guys want to put away the Play-Doh and play outside?
No.
No?
Yes, I'm still making something.
You're still making something?
That's an old ant.
What are you making?
I'm making a sugar foot.
Let me see. Hold it up so I can see. Oh, that's a really good circle.
Wow. Take it out.
Yeah, take it out.
It's popping out.
Pop it out.
Whoa.
Ooh, I think you got to put a lot in there and it'll squeeze out really long.
I'll do that in just a second.
Okay.
This one. I'll do this one. I want to try that.
What's going on?
I want to try this.
Okay, ask her nicely, please, because she's using it.
Please.
Do you know how to ask her nicely?
Yes.
What do you say?
Can you show that? I got it way big. Can you show that?
Eva, Eli's asking you a question. Well, why don't you let him play with that one? You've been playing with that one for a long time. Can he share it? Can he try it?
Of course.
Oh.
I'm going to make it a piece of squares.
Okay, thank you, Eva.
See? Thank you. My turn. Can I have a try?
She didn't even get to use it yet. That was so fast, Eva.
Yeah.
Do you want to get something else from the bucket while he uses that one?
Okay.
All right. Let's see. What are you gonna pick out? What do you have in there? That's something you like? What's that?
It's a pusher.
It's a pusher?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pusher.
I think you can make circles with it. Want to try it?
Fishy.
A fishy. A big fishy.
Crab. Really you.
The letter U. Eva, do you know what starts with letter U?
Oh. Yeah, Play-Doh. What's that?
Eva, do you know what starts with the letter U?
Yeah.
What?
Look, I spit on the bottom. We know rectangle on the bottom. To start with the letter U.
Which one? What word did you say, Eva?
T. Let's start with the letter U.
How about umbrella?
Eva, are you done with it? No. Yes, I do. Yay!
Say yes, I am.
I did play with this thing.
Oh, what is that? A telephone. Are you gonna make a Play-Doh telephone?
Yes.
Okay, that's very cool. Who will you call on your telephone?
I want to. Mommy.
You will call mommy on the phone? That's very nice. What are you gonna tell her?
I want to tell her on the speaker.
You gonna talk to her on the speaker? What are you gonna tell her?
I don't want to tell her. What's popping out?
The truth?
Yeah.
About what?
About this.
What's this?
That's about. Can you make it very, very long for me?
Can I make it very, very long for you?
Yes, can you make it?
Okay, I'll do that for
Can
you.
you make a telephone?
Yeah, I can make a telephone.
Okay, can you make a telephone?
All right, I'm gonna make a telephone for you and then we're gonna go play outside, okay?
Okay.
So can you guys say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Say we'll see you next time.
See you next time.